Breaking news, Turkish tanks allegedly bombing Kurdish YPG-controlled villages near Kurdish town Afrin in Rojava, North Syria, happening right now 5th of March 2016. Also yesterday at 3 p.m., they shelled Dikmi village near Afrin. World is on silent regarding Turkish attacks on Kurdish civilians in Syria. Also, Russian Defense Minister today told journalists at a briefing in Moscow that Turkey continues to shell Kurdish forces in Syria, hampering their operations against al-nusra terrorists, and at the same time funneling supplies to the militant-controlled. Also, they showed two videos to the journalist. First video shows militants continue to freely cross the Turkish-Syrian border, presenting the latest reconnaissance video featuring a large terrorist unit in a forested border area. Another video depicted Turkish artillery in a border garrison near the Yanaki settlement targeting Kurdish positions in Syria. Reported by Keith Harding for Arhich News Agency on 5th of March 2016.